So in today's video, we are going to be making a traditional Thanksgiving side dish. We are going to be making sweet potato casserole, or some people call it candied yams. This is a traditional recipe that I have had in my family since I was a little girl, and it is beyond easy to make, so let's go spice things up.
The first thing you'll want to get is 4 15-ounce cans of these sweet potatoes or yams, or 2 big cans. But this is what we are doing, and you will want to drain the liquid out of these cans. And then go ahead and dump the yams or sweet potatoes into your pan. And this is a 9x13 Pyrex pan. And then make sure you spread them out so that it will be an even layer. Next, you'll want to get some brown sugar. I like dark brown sugar, but it doesn't really matter. You can use light if that's what you have on hand. And then I usually just take a couple handfuls and sprinkle it all around, which is about a half a cup. And then 1 package of these little cute mini marshmallows, and just make sure it is a nice even layer as well. Oops, runaway marshmallows. And then about a half a stick of butter, just slice little thin slices of butter and just put it all around. Just like this. Next, you'll want to put your sweet potato casserole in the oven at 375, and you want to cook it until the marshmallows become nice and golden brown on the top. And then after about 20 to 25 minutes, your casserole is done. It is nice golden brown, and you're ready to serve it to your guests.
Happy holidays, and I hope you enjoyed this easy Thanksgiving side dish. Bye, and see you in the next video.